This is a rice field near the house where I live. Here in the Philippines, rice is eaten with almost every meal. They grow it all over the Philippines, and it's the main food here in the Philippines. They make snacks and everything with it. So I got to fly a drone while they were harvesting in the field next to the house here. As you can see, the harvester is similar to what we'd use in the U.S., a combine for corn or wheat or something like that. You can see out the chute out the back, it separates the grain from the rest of the plant, and the waste of the plant comes out the chute on the back into the field. And this machine is on tracks instead of wheels because the rice is grown on the water. The two gentlemen you see standing there, one is pitching the grain in a bag, and he'll hand it to the guy on the back, and the guy in the back takes the bag and sews it shut. These bags weigh about, I'm thinking 50 kilos, or about 100 pounds each. So once they get a few bags full, they take it and drop it off. And it gets loaded onto a sled and hauled away by a carabao, or some call them water buffalo. But they take it on the sled, leave it on a spot for it to be picked up by a truck and hauled away. So thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye, y'all.